In triangle ABC, we have three angles, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3, and we will find the result based on these three interior angles. So the result or property is sum of measures of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, or we can say angle A as angle 1, angle B as angle 2 and angle C as angle 3. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree, means sum of all the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So now we will verify the angle sum property of a triangle. See, in triangle ABC, if we take the cutouts of angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3, and we have taken the cutouts of all these three angles, and we will try to arrange it on a straight line. You can see as I am arranging it on a straight line. So this forms a straight angle. At straight angle means sum of all these three angles is 180 degree. So now we come to know that sum of all these three interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So now we will solve exercise 6.3 based on angle sum property. The question is find the value of unknown x in the following diagram. See, we are having a one triangle PQR and angle P is, as you know by the sign, this angle is 90 degree. Angle Q is 30 degree and angle R is x, that is unknown value. We have to find the angle R. So we use the property angle sum property. So we write by angle sum property angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degree, as sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle P is 90 degree, angle Q is 30 degree and angle R is angle X is equals to 180 degree. 90 plus 30 is 120 degree plus angle X is equals to 180 degree and angle X is equals to 180. We transpose it to the 120 to the right side, it becomes minus 120 degree. So the value of X will be 180 minus 120. This is equals to 60 degree. So this is the value of angle X. Now we will solve the second part. In triangle ABC, let's give the names ABC. Here the name is not given, so we can take any name ABC or PQR. So here each angle of a triangle is angle X and we have to find this unknown variable X. So again we will apply the property angle sum property. By angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. So angle A is X, B is also X, C is also X, that is equals to 180. And X plus X plus X, as we know that the coefficient of X is here 1, here also 1 and here is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 3 and 3x. So 3x is equals to 180 degree. So when we bring this 3 to the right side, it will be divided by, so 180 will be divided by 3. We will get the value of x as 60 degree. So here in question number 2, find the values of the unknowns x and y in the following diagrams. Here we have to find the value of two unknown values x and y. So see here, this is angle 80 degree and this is y, and both angle y and angle 80 degree both are vertically opposite angles, and we know that vertically opposite angles are always equal. So angle y is equals to 80 degree. So next, if we know that this is 80 degree, we can apply the angle sum property to find the angle x. So here we will apply by angle sum property. Angle y plus 50 degree plus angle x is equals to 180 degree. Angle y is 80 degree. This is 50. Angle x is equals to 180. 80 plus 50 is 130 degree is equals to 180. So when we take to the right side, it will be minus 130 degree. So the measure of angle x is 50 degree. Next come to the question number 2, second part. Here again we have to find the value of x and y. So in triangle, two angles are given. So we can find the third angle by angle sum property. So again we will write by angle sum property 50 degree plus 60 degree plus angle y is equals to 180 degree. So 50 degree plus 60 degree is 110 degree plus angle y is equals to 180 degree. This becomes angle y is equals to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. So angle y is equals to 70 degree. Now we'll find the angle x. So here you can see angle x and angle y lies on a straight line. So this forms a straight angle, linear pair. So we'll write angle x plus angle y is equals to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. So angle x will be as it is. Angle y is equals to 70 degree. So angle x is equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree. This is equals to 110 degree. So the measure of angle x is 110.